my beautiful people. Is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My people, wahala dey. Wahala dey, my darling people. Big wahala. Una remember this commissioner of Imo State where they do a jogodo party wey be say dem dey jogodo, dem dey video each other. So that man, the general, now say he no know one no two, say they put a picture, the screenshot and saying this should be put the screenshot and put the video for join that those people. Now say even blind person self go even know say na lie, this man dey lie. Na lie, because this man was there. Now he do the video. That girl, the girl wey climb the other man. If una watch that video, in fact, if una need them, wanna tell me, I will give una. Where that the other girl, as that girl say the man the video, now the girl come quick tongue go the other side. They will not say her face where. But this man now come the lie say he no know one, no two. Say now lie. Now me know the real story. Now one small boy, he lost the phone. One small boy, now he see the phone. As he see the phone, he can't call the man. May he give him the phone. After he already search wetin dey inside, be like say he can say make the man give him money for him go give him the phone. Whether the man not gonna give him, not gonna know. Now make the boy come publish the video. Then they say the guy they prison for 1 year now. We're not going to hear for this woman where they ask film. Mona listen.
I don't know how many of you saw that sex video 2 weeks ago, starring a federal commissioner for public complaint, Imo State, Mr. William Amadi, and 2 background actors. At the time, it didn't mean anything. You know, adults had their game. But this weekend, that story took a new turn. A turn that gives concern. A 20-year-old boy has been jailed for 12 months.
Another year.
Blackmail and defamation of character by way of doctoring that video. In other words, superimposing a still shot from a swimming pool to a motion shot of a sex scene into one. Really? Mr. Madi? I mean, like, how did you get this done? In 2 weeks, you have identified a suspect, arrested him, investigated the case, arraigned him before a court, gotten judgment, even jailed him for 12 months. In 2 weeks, in Imo State, where till date, the Supreme Court is still deliberating on governorship matters from 2019 elections. Mr. Madi, really, what's going on? Are you paying this boy to take this fall on your behalf? Or have you yet again misused your office by abusing it further, by intimidating, bullying, harassing, coaxing, or whatever it is, to get a young 20-year-old to commit perjury in court with you, a lawyer, sitting complicit? Does that not call for your disbarment, Mr. Madi? I started entertainment at the age of 8. I've been in Nollywood. I'm a pioneer of it from 1992. I'm a trained actor, director, casting director, acting coach, producer, director. And I know what I know, Mr. Madi. What this boy is claiming to have done is not doable as today. There is no app to enable him to that. And if he has to even try any attempt, there has to be a cut. But this is a moving shot with no cuts. But let's even agree. For you to superimpose, you need a green screen. And you, Mr. Madi, you need to be with that green screen, which makes you part of the conspiracy. So are you? So why don't you just stop this stretching of your lies and do the right thing? Apologize to the people and resign your office. The office that you have so grossly abused. Apologize. Okay? Because you're not just a disgrace to yourself. You're a disgrace to yourself, your wife, your family, Imo State, and the federal government who found you worthy in the first instance to have. But you know what? The federal government, they have something with the word Photoshop, so you can just keep them and run home to your family. Fall on your face and ask your wife to forgive you. If she's lenient, she might just, do that. But please, don't insult us. Okay? Don't insult Nigerians who, from the scratch, have built up the knowledge of making and viewing pictures. Do the right thing, Mr. Amadi. Take your fall. It's your shame. Take full responsibility for it. That's the honorable thing to do.
When I hear what this Lollywood actress, when I hear what she talk, and the truth, just apologize. Not be say you can't come the lie, say not be you did there, you did swimming pool. They come, somebody can't go video you for swimming pool. Come put and for join that evil blind person go know say na you did there. Una year now, young boy of 20 years they prison for this matter. For 1 year now. These people sha, because say una feel say una get money, una feel lie. Commissioner of Imo State, why are you lying? Why una dey lie? Why una be like this? Why una life be like this? Una lie too much. See lie when you lie, say not be you dey there. Our rest now you dey there. Everybody knows say na you dey there. Why are you lying? Why it be say una go just sit down, una will just like to the lie? Because una know say they don't already cash una. Una don't know what una want talk again. As this lady just talking, just apologize. You don't already made the mistake, you don't make that because you don't already bring shame to your family. So not be say you come they like they bet. We know what una they do, all those politicians. That's what una they do. Many of una must get side chick for outside. That one are normal. We know. Now because say your own come out now, the rest people all see they know. They go they careful now. You be not so your phone go lost. I'm gonna come out now, come they bend the matter. You know, if Ben, we don't already know what in the my jolly people. Now the update of the commissioner of Imo State. Now say man can't tell you now. Thank you, my darling people. So if I hear another update, I will consider tell you now again, my darling people. More na share them, more na help me to share the video. They go. God will continue to bless you people for me. Thank you. Bye.